Unveiling Ironclad, a deep dive into its meaning and usage. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, ironclad. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can really add depth to your English skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of ironclad. Ironclad originally comes from a historical context. During the 19th century, warships were often covered in iron armor for protection. These ships were termed ironclads. This literal meaning gives us our first insight into the phrase. It suggests strength and resilience. In contemporary English, ironclad is mostly used metaphorically. Here are the two main contexts in which it appears. 1. Legal and formal agreements. When we say an agreement is ironclad, we mean that it is very strong and not easily broken. For example, they had an ironclad contract that was difficult to terminate. 2. Promises or guarantees. Similarly, if someone gives you an ironclad promise or guarantee, they are assuring you that it's absolutely reliable. For example, she gave me an ironclad guarantee that the project would be completed on time. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. In a legal context, the company's ironclad non-disclosure agreement protects its trade secrets. In everyday conversation, he made an ironclad commitment to improve his grades this semester. Notice how in each instance, ironclad emphasizes the strength and unyielding nature of an agreement or promise. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can enhance your grasp of ironclad. Synonyms include unbreakable, inviolable, binding, indisputable. Antonyms include weak, flexible, breakable, disputable. Today, we explored the interesting phrase, ironclad, looking at its historical origins, modern meanings, and usage in sentences. Remember, phrases like ironclad enrich your English vocabulary and can make your communication more effective and nuanced. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using ironclad and similar terms with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.